At na-try na natin yung ketchup at mac and cheese. So, this is the last one. Sardines! Sana lasang ano. Yan ang malalim. Okay, so let's try to open this sardines candy. Sardines. Okay, so yeah. Candy oh, wait lang. Amoy dilis. Yeah, amoy dilis. Gusto ko na kumain ng taste test!
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Joke lang. Lasa siyang dilis na may gatas. Yeah, dilis na may gatas. Pero medyo okay pa naman to kasi sa mac and cheese. So kung i-rate ko siya is 7 out of 10. Ayun. So, yun na po. Dito na po nagtatapos yung review ko. So, ang pinaka-recommend ko po is yung ketchup at